Good day. Uh, how to set up automated review requests using Shopify.io reputation management tool. So let's go to reputation, then settings, and connect your Google business profile. Then after that, create workflow that triggers after job is completed and send SMS or email asking for review. So connect your Google business profile. And then after that, include your Google review link inside message to make it easy for clients to leave feed- feedback.